Welcome to Mars, the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and dreams. This moment marks a new chapter in human history. The roar of the rocket engines faded, leaving behind a profound silence that enveloped the entire landscape. This eerie silence was unlike anything Raul had ever experienced. It was the sound of a new world, untouched and pristine. Raul peered out the viewport of his M8 lander, his heart pounding with a mix of excitement and trepidation. The vast expanse of the Martian surface lay before him, a canvas of endless possibilities. Below him stretched a landscape unlike anything he'd ever seen. The red terrain was both alien and mesmerizing, a stark contrast to the blue and green of Earth. Red as far as the eye could see, the Martian soil, rich in iron oxide, gave the planet its distinctive hue, a sight that was both beautiful and haunting. He had made it. Raul was on Mars. The realization hit him with full force, a dream turned reality. He was now part of a select group of pioneers venturing into the unknown. He took a deep breath, or at least as deep as the thin Martian air would allow. The life support system in his suit ensured he had enough oxygen, but the sensation was still surreal. His suit whirred softly, a reassuring presence in the stillness. Every sound, every movement was amplified in the quiet of Mars, a reminder of the delicate balance between life and the harsh environment outside. It was time to make history. Raul knew that every step he took, every sample he collected, would contribute to humanity's understanding of this distant world. Stepping out onto the rusty red soil, Raul became one of the first humans to set foot on another planet. This was more than just a personal achievement, it was a milestone for all of humanity, a testament to our unyielding spirit of exploration and discovery. As he planted the flag of his mission, Raul felt a surge of pride and responsibility. This was just the beginning. The data they would gather, the experiments they would conduct, all of it would pave the way for future missions, and perhaps even colonization. Back on Earth, Mission Control erupted in cheers. The successful landing was a beacon of hope and a symbol of what humanity could achieve when united by a common goal. Raul's journey was far from over. The days ahead would be filled with challenges and discoveries, each one bringing them closer to understanding the mysteries of Mars. But for now, he took a moment to savor the achievement, knowing that he was standing on the frontier of a new era. Mars embraced Raul with a subtle chill, a reminder of the planet's harsh and unforgiving nature. The air was thin, and every breath through his suit's life support system felt like a precious gift. The sun, a pale disk in the lavender sky, cast long, dramatic shadows across the desolate landscape. It was a sight unlike any Raul had ever seen, a stark contrast to the vibrant blues and greens of Earth. Everything was bathed in a soft, reddish hue, as if the entire planet was blushing under the gaze of the distant sun. The colors were surreal, almost otherworldly, painting a picture of a planet that was both beautiful and barren. Iron oxide, the same compound that gives rust its color, dusted the surface of this alien world. This red dust was a constant reminder of Mars's ancient past, a past that scientists were eager to uncover. Raul crouched down, scooping a handful of the fine red dust. He marveled at its texture, so different from the soil of Earth. It was a moment of connection, a tangible link to a world millions of miles away. It felt cool to the touch, almost silky. The dust slipped through his gloved fingers like water, each grain a tiny piece of Mars' vast geological history. Billions of years of geological history were held within his gloved hand. Each particle had a story to tell, a chapter in the long saga of Mars' existence. He let the dust trickle back to the ground, each tiny particle a testament to the deep time of the universe. As the dust settled, Raul felt a profound sense of awe. He was standing on a planet that had witnessed the birth and death of stars, a silent observer of the cosmos. The horizon stretched out endlessly before him, a vast expanse of red and gold. It was a reminder of how small and fragile humanity was in the grand scheme of the universe. Yet it was also a testament to human curiosity and the unyielding desire to explore the unknown. In the reflection of his helmet visor, Raul saw the Martian landscape, a world so different from his own, yet now a part of his journey. This was just the beginning, the first steps in a new chapter of human exploration. With each step he took, Raul felt the weight of history and the promise of the future. Mars was no longer just a distant red dot in the sky, it was a place of discovery, a new frontier waiting to be explored. The air, or lack thereof, was the first thing Raul truly noticed. It was thin, almost non-existent. He knew from his training that the Martian atmosphere was less than 1% as dense as Earth's, composed mostly of carbon dioxide with a smattering of other gases. Taking a breath was more of a symbolic act on Mars. His suit, a marvel of modern engineering, worked overtime to extract what little oxygen was available, supplementing it with his onboard supply. Every breath was a reminder of the challenges of surviving on this alien world. Raul bounced slightly as he walked, adjusting to the lower gravity. Here, on this red planet, he weighed almost 2/3 less than on Earth. It was a strange, exhilarating sensation, like being perpetually on the moon. He imagined himself leaping across the Martian plains, each stride covering incredible distances. The low gravity presented both challenges and opportunities for exploration. Section 5. The Silent Symphony. Sounds of a New World. Silence enveloped him, the thin Martian atmosphere stifled sound, creating a profound stillness that was both awe-inspiring and slightly unsettling. It was a silence unlike anything on Earth, unbroken by the rustle of leaves or the chirping of insects. Yet there were subtle sounds if he listened closely. The soft whir of his suit, the crunch of his boots on the regolith, the faint whisper of the Martian wind as it danced around him. These were the sounds of a new world waiting to be explored. Section 6. Exploring the Unknown, a Martian Safari. The M8 rover, a testament to human ingenuity, waited patiently nearby. Raul climbed aboard, eager to see more of this alien world. The rover hummed to life, its electric motor a quiet counterpoint to the Martian silence. As he ventured further from the landing site, the landscape began to reveal its hidden wonders. Towering canyons carved by ancient rivers, vast plains littered with boulders, and craters that spoke of a violent past. Every turn brought a new discovery, a new vista that took his breath away. Section 7. The Challenges of Mars. A Hostile Beauty. Mars was a planet of stark beauty, but it was also a harsh and unforgiving mistress. Its landscape, filled with red rocks and endless dust, painted a picture of desolation. The Martian surface, though captivating, was a testament to the planet's relentless nature. The vast deserts and rocky plains stretched out endlessly, offering a glimpse into a world that was both mesmerizing and intimidating. The thin atmosphere offered little protection from the sun's radiation, making the surface a dangerous place for any form of life. The Martian sky, with its thin veil, allowed the sun's rays to penetrate deeply, creating an environment that was both beautiful and deadly. The lack of a substantial atmosphere meant that the planet was constantly bombarded with cosmic radiation, posing a significant challenge for any potential explorers, and the temperatures could swing wildly from day to night. During the day, the surface could be warm, almost inviting, but as the sun set, the temperatures would plummet, turning the landscape into a frozen wasteland. This extreme fluctuation made it difficult for any form of life to sustain itself, adding another layer of complexity to the already challenging environment. Water, the elixir of life, was locked away as ice beneath the surface. These hidden reserves of water trapped in the form of ice were a tantalizing promise of potential habitability. Scientists believed that if we could tap into these reserves, it might be possible to support life on Mars. However, accessing this water was no easy task, requiring advanced technology and innovative solutions, or as vapor in the thin air. The presence of water vapor in the atmosphere, though minimal, hinted at the planet's potential to support life. This vapor, rising from the ground, was a reminder of the planet's dynamic nature. It suggested that Mars, despite its harsh conditions, was not entirely devoid of the elements necessary for life. Yet even in its hostility, there was a strange allure. The Martian horizon, especially at sunset, was a sight to behold. The play of light and shadow across the barren landscape created scenes of breathtaking beauty. Dust storms, though dangerous, added to the planet's mystique, swirling across the surface like ghostly apparitions. The challenges of Mars were a call to action, a siren song for adventurers and scientists alike. The planet's harsh conditions were not just obstacles but opportunities to push the boundaries of human knowledge and capability. Every rock, every grain of dust, held secrets waiting to be uncovered, mysteries that could change our understanding of the universe, an invitation to push the boundaries of human ingenuity. Engineers and scientists were constantly devising new ways to overcome the planet's challenges. From building habitats that could withstand the extreme temperatures to developing technologies that could extract water from the ice, every step forward was a testament to human creativity and determination, and create a foothold for life on this alien world. The dream of establishing a colony on Mars was no longer just a fantasy. With each passing day, we moved closer to making it a reality. The sight of an astronaut planting a flag on the Martian surface symbolized our relentless pursuit of exploration and our unwavering belief in the possibility of life beyond Earth. Section 8. Footprints in the Red Dust, Humanity's Martian Legacy. Raul paused, looking back at the tracks the rover left in the red dust. Each footprint, each tire mark, was a testament to the audacity of humanity, a species that dared to dream of reaching beyond its home planet. He was just one man, a small part of a much larger endeavor. But in this moment, standing on the surface of Mars, he felt the weight of history on his shoulders. The future of humanity, he realized, might very well be written in the red dust of this alien world. Section 9. The Next Giant Leap, a Martian Future. As the sun began its slow descent towards the Martian horizon, casting long shadows across the landscape, Raul couldn't help but feel a sense of hope. Yes, Mars was a challenging place, but it was also a place of immense potential. With continued exploration and innovation, he believed that humanity could one day establish a permanent presence on Mars, transforming this red planet into a second home for humankind. The journey had just begun. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content.